Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn news article into engaging video using Pictory.ai in 2023. Pictory.ai is an innovative AI-powered platform that allows you to effortlessly transform a written news article into captivating visual narratives. So with Pictory AI, you can add an exciting visual dimension to news content, making it more appealing and shareable across various platforms. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go and access your Pictory.ai. So to get started, of course, in your Pictory.ai, you'll have to go and sign in into it. So for me, I'm just going to this URL section and type Pictory.ai and hit the enter button, and that should take me right away to the home screen or main screen. If you don't know much about Pictory AI and it's your first time, you can scroll down, read more information about it, view some reviews as you can see, or read some reviews of other people. And you can even like go and read the frequently asked questions if you have some questions and etc. Of course, they have some plans if you want to apply to them. So as you can see, there's three plans with all the features that you want. So go and read them depending on whatever suits you. So for me, if you have an account, just log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and click on getting started and create your own account. For me, I'm just going to click on login. As you can see, they log me right into my account because I already logged into my accounts before. And as we said here in this video, we would like to turn news article into video with Pictory.ai. So here we have four options that we can use. The first option is script to video. Start typing or copy paste your script, and of course this will be recommended for educational videos, listic videos, coaching videos, step-by-step guides, and article videos. Here it's gonna be recommended for blogs, press releases, and any HTML article. And of course, the edit video using the text, import video from video sources, and of course, it's recommended for add subtitles automatically, cut portions of the video, create video highlights, or add logo, intro, and outro. And finally, we have here visuals to video. It creates, of course, it's recommended to create a slide show video using exciting images and short video clips. And so, as we said in beginning of this video, we would like to create or to turn a news article into an engaging video using Pictory AI. So, as you can see, we have here article to video. Simply, we'll have to go here to proceed. And as you can see, to proceed here, we'll have to copy paste the URL of the article. So here, let's just go and look for a news article as an example. And let's just go with this one. I don't know what this is about. As you can see, what it's our terms. Let's just click on continue. So as you can see, this is the New York Times. So simply, I'm just going to copy this URL here and paste this right away here. And as you can see, I'll simply have to click on proceed. Once I do so, as you can see, they are extracting the key messages in the article. So this may take some time. It's not that a lot of time, so we'll have to wait a bit. Of course, in the meantime, let me just tell you what to do, of course. So as an example, while you are pasting, after that, you'll be able to customize your visual elements. So Pictory AI will allow you to customize various visual elements to enhance like the storytelling experience and experiment with different styles, colors, and animations to match the tone and mode of the news article. So as you can see here as an example, it's got summarized. So as you can see, AI-powered summarize. So we have the first scene is the New York Times International Breaking News U.S. News World News videos. So as you can see, the New York Times International Breaking News. So this is the kind of what you will find in the title. Of course, you can even go and edit it if you want to. And of course, here you'll be able to scroll down. So as you can see, we have here like Dr. Gorton, the New York Times, and a lot of informations, of course, depending on the thing that we have here in New York Times. So they actually summarize all this article here about like internationals, what's happening international at the moment, and they summarize it all of it into this small source article, as you can see. So normally the informations that is here, you'll normally find them here with just some small informations. And as you can see, like Barbie, this is Oppenheimer. which is actually new. You'll normally find it here, probably in this article somewhere. And as you can see, they summarize everything for us. So here we'll be able to see like the scenes. We'll be able even to change the place of the scene. So as you can see, we can put scene 2 into like wherever you want. So depending on whatever you want, you can simply put it. As you can see here, we have the scene settings. We'll be able to auto highlight the keywords or auto visual sections. We'll be able to change the scene option. As you can see, we can put the scene 1 into scene 4 or scene 5 or whatever you want. And of course, here, once you edit everything, you can simply go and click on next once you edit everything you want. Of course, you can even edit the titles if you want to. As an example, you can even go and click on somewhere here to add it as another scene here if you want to. So you'll be able to click on anything, as you can see, and this will be added as a scene here if you want to even add it. And once you're done with everything you want, you can simply go and click on next here, and here you'll have to go and choose a template. So let me just go as an example with prints. Why not? I'm going with 2.1, and here we'll have to wait until this finish. It should not take a lot of time. Of course, and meanwhile, of course, we can incorporate like media and graphics. So to make your video more dynamic, you can include, as example, some relevant image, videos, or graphics that aligns with the same new article content. And you can either upload your media or choose like from Pictory or Pictory AI extensive library. So you can see this is going to be our video. We can simply go and preview it from here by clicking on preview. So we'll be able to preview the whole video from here. So as you can see, they will do everything for us. The article will be summarized into a small video right here. You'll be able to see everything about it. Of course, the video has some music, and so don't worry about that. And of course, as you can see, there's a watermark here, but if you download the video, don't worry, the watermark will not be there. So as you can see, don't forget to generate your video. Once you're happy with how your video has turned out, do generate it and download it, the MP4 file. So here, as an example, if you have some scenes that you want to delete, if you have some caption that you want to delete, if you want to add some audio, if you want to do some cuts, if you want to do some settings, you'll be able to do everything that you want here. So you'll be able to change the story, edit the visuals, elements, audio, text, styles, branding, and formats, and everything you want. And as I said, you saw in the preview the watermark here. So as an example, so don't worry about this watermark. Once you click on download, the watermark will not be there. Of course, if you don't want the watermarks to be in the preview, you will have to go and pay, as an example, for one of their plans. It will even remove it from the preview. So that's gonna be it. So review and edit whatever you want. You can even add some voiceovers, generate and download it. Then you will be able to share it however you want, and you will be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to turn a news article into an eye-catching video using Pictory.ai in 2023. So AI today and revolutionize the way you share news articles. So thank you for joining us and happy video creating. And thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.